Yeah, so this is the second time I already hooked it up. I'm going to try to send her out again. Doing some testing out here. Let's see what we got. Connected. Open. Connect. So we'll wait for Sky Controller to connect. Connect it. Alright, so now I usually go to the app now. Free Flight Pro. Okay. Be good, Yoke. Be good, boy. Yoke's been trying to behave. Be good, Yoke. It's alright, bro. Good boy, Yoke. Good boy, Yoke. Good boy. There it goes, guys. Second time I hooked up. All right, let's see if she holds up. Usually it'll drop when I switch over here. 75% battery. All right, GPS is there. It's always good to wait a second. So, controller's not that strong right now either. But go into settings, take a look around. Let's check video camera out. Standard. I go high quality. I've been doing standard, so I'll try it there. All right. And all right, Yoke. Back up, bro. Here we go. Not too bad. Take it easy. We'll go over towards the rib. Huh. I'd have to land it again. Hey, this thing. I guess that has to be replaced after a while too. You know, that's it. Alright. It was short landing. Wow, battery went down to 27%. Oh, damn, that ain't even really the thing. That's like plastic or something. That's not good. Alright. Do another takeoff. That's a brand new battery, man. They didn't hold and charge at all. Probably ain't even gonna be able to go anywhere. Let's go over here, bro. See what we got. So, yeah, that's not sitting still. That's a drift, right? So that's kind of staying in one spot, right, Yoke? You good, Yoke? 19. I'm probably gonna have to come back, bro. Looking pretty good. All right, bring it down. 15%. Yeah, that's a brand new battery, man. No good. You think they all went bad? I don't know. Letting us guys go through them like that. I can't keep asking Tech Rabbit for batteries, but wow, I'm gonna have to buy my own batteries. I could see that. All right, shut this down. All right, this can stay. That should shut off, to be honest with you. There you go. Alright. So yeah, that's not good at all. Alright guys, this thing's falling apart. Alright. So I'll see you in a couple